Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including immune system support, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. A deficiency in zinc can lead to various health issues. Here are 9 warning signs that you might be zinc deficient. 1. Weakened immune system. Zinc is known for its role in supporting the immune system. 1. If you frequently get sick or have difficulty recovering from illnesses, it could be a sign of zinc deficiency. 2. Delayed wound healing. Zinc is essential for wound healing and tissue repair. 2. Slow or impaired wound healing might indicate a lack of zinc in your diet. 3. Hair loss. Zinc deficiency can lead to hair thinning or hair loss. 3. Adequate zinc levels are important for healthy hair growth. 4. Poor appetite. Zinc plays a role in regulating appetite and taste perception. 4. A decreased sense of taste or loss of appetite can be associated with zinc deficiency. 5. Digestive issues. Zinc is required for the proper function of enzymes involved in digestion. 5. Digestive problems like diarrhea, bloating, and stomach cramps may be linked to low zinc levels. 6. Skin problems. Zinc deficiency can contribute to skin issues such as acne, eczema, and dry skin. 6. Adequate zinc is important for maintaining healthy skin. 7. Vision problems. Zinc is found in high concentrations in the retina, and a deficiency may contribute to vision problems or night blindness. 8. Mood changes. Zinc plays a role in neurotransmitter function, and low levels have been linked to mood swings, depression, and anxiety. 9. Impaired growth and development. Zinc is crucial for growth and development, especially in children. 9. A deficiency can lead to stunted growth and developmental delays. It's important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by various other factors, so it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment if you suspect a zinc deficiency. If you believe you might be lacking in zinc, incorporating zinc-rich foods like meat, poultry, seafood, dairy products, nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet could help improve your zinc levels.